Hi guys, how are you? So I am going to be doing a Glossy box unboxing. I am very surprised it came so soon. After receiving an email saying that it'll be before, definitely be before the 16th of May, so it's expected to be a bit later. Yeah, it's here, and I have had a look. I have had a sneak peek of what I've got, what the box looks like, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. So I'm going to show you. So I don't know what the theme is or anything. So open the box and I'm not sure why this is in there because there's nothing in the glossy box from what I can see to do with this. This is really direct. Viable free contact lenses trial. So yeah, I don't know exactly what's in there, but yeah, this is the box. Isn't that gorgeous? Got your glossy mark at the back as well as on the front with glossy box, and then all the way around this top bit it says the word wild thing. It's just amazing. Okay guys, I'm back. Sorry about that. So yeah, I just love the box. Inside is the black and white pattern, but it's also got little paw prints, animal prints. Gorgeous, gorgeous gold paper with the black gloss dot symbol, and then this is all I think just black glossy dots. I haven't, yeah, it's just black glossy symbols. The normal black ribbon. So yeah, let's have a look. So there was two options. There was leopard print or leopard print, which is what I got, or zebra print. So yeah. So I'm gonna read you it as we go through. So the first one, this was the sneak peek, I believe, for this box. So it's this is the, just checking, this is the most expensive product in the box. It's from Steve Laurent, however you want to say it. It's gorgeous, this is contact, find it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous packaging. This one is one I'm going to be keeping in the packaging. If not keeping the packaging, this is an eyeshadow in Wild Thing. Now it looks like the print's messed up, but it's not. It's actually in like a zebra sort of style. And it's in these gorgeous nude colours, and I cannot wait to try that. And you've got your mirror as well. So yeah, I really love that. So I got that, and I'm going to read you what it says. It says, embrace your wild side and experiment with new sultry eye looks. Thanks to this gorgeous leopard print eyeshadow palette. Boosting with new creamy and intense shades. The silky smooth pigment glides effortlessly onto your lids to deliver some serious colour. You can use self-matte hues to create a subtle day look or blend the shimmery dark colours together to build an evening look. Just £31 from steamsandrant.com, and I love it, absolutely love it. And I don't think there's one thing in this box I've tried before. 2 brands I have, that one and another one, so yeah. So the next thing is something I've bought, is a brand, as I say, I've always wanted to try, and it's EOS. This is EOS, which is in sweet mint. And this is a lip balm, so let's open it. Don't quite work, does it? Oh. I'm gonna have to stick what it is on there, because I don't know. This is sweet mint. Oh yes, very minty. It's just an ordinary, bit of. Oh, I can't wait to try that. So it says, I think it was over this one or I read one you had to do with between. It says, don't let your painful, dry, trapped lips stop you from living your wildest adventures. Full of nourishing and smoothing ingredients like shea butter, jojoba oil, and vitamin E, these natural lip balms deeply hydrate and condition your palate. Wherever you receive sweet mint, the pomegranate, and the raspberry, all the strawberry flavour, you'll be left with soft, smooth, supple lips. This is £6.50 from lookfantastic.com/brand/EOS.list. So, yeah, my first EOS lip balm. I'm so happy. So that's that. And then the next thing this is very interesting. It's another brand I've seen about, and I wanted to try. I've seen on the other YouTube videos. This is the OK SOS. It stands for Save Our Skin. Excuse me. Sorry. This is a skin toning peacock print mask made in Korea. So yeah, let's have a look. Just how to use it up there was quite simple. And it says, channel your inner spirit. This is a peacock one, sorry. Peacock print fibre mask. Channel your inner spirit animal with these fun sheet masks. Fill your skin loving ingredients like tea tree, witch hazel, willow bark, and charcoal powder. They work to calm, tone, and balance your skin for a cleaner and healthier look. Looking complex. Apply yours onto clean face for 10 to 20 minutes and peel off and massage the remaining serum into skin. This is £4 again from milkfantastic.com/brand/ok.list. And then you have you either got leopard print, cheetah print, that, and peacock. And I got peacock and I really like it. Okay, and I've heard of this brand. This is a brand I've heard of, Mudmasky, and I really like them. This is a hair mask. The only products I've tried is skincare. This is the first hair care one I've tried. Now I'm going to try even hair mask, scalp treatment, and a miracle shampoo. 3 in 1. It repairs hair, straightens hair, hydrates hair, moisturizes scalp, and dandruff control. Tame your dry, damaged, frizzy mane with this newly launched 3 in 1 hair care treatment. Formulated with Moroccan argan oil, Moroccan mud, and flowers. Its first moisturizes the skin on the scalp, then repairs, hydrates, and soaks into traces. Massage it into your wet scalp and leave for 1 minute, then rinse. Now beautiful, healthy looks in no time, and this is £21 from mudmasky.com. And you've got 75 mils. I will go through in a minute and see whether it's all full size or not. But yeah, I really can't wait to try this. And then the next thing, I saw this picture. Oh, we're getting crayons. This is from Stargazer. I nearly didn't see this in the box. This is from Stargazer, which I've never heard of. And this is a glitter eyeliner pencil. Nothing says feels like an eyeliner with touch machinery flair. These pencils are not only featured high pigment formulas, but has a sprinkle of glitter scattered through them too. Apply yours on your upper lash line and blend it out for scandalizing smoky effect, or sharpen the tip and draw precise winged eyeliner with sparkly undertones. £2 from stargazer/products.com. Not open this yet. Mine is in mauve. So I've got mauve, but they put this on so tightly. I want to know is if the word mauve is on. Yes, it is. It's written on the end. There, you won't be able to see it. Right there. I'm just going to try to take the. No, I'll do it in a minute. So yeah, it's just mauve. Let's watch it. Oh. Well, all I did. So just watch it, and as you can see, some of it's come off already, so I'm not keen on that. And if you can see this, the spark, lots of spark on it. So yeah, I got that as well. I got to take this. No, because it's going to bug me. And my nail cutter, by the way, is an Avon. An Avon nail cutter. In Gentle Dove. So yeah, and the lid, they've decorated the lid with glitter. Let me just see that. So yeah, that is that. And then I will redo the sneak peek for June. So for that, obviously this is a full size. You had, I guess that was the choice of the colours. Choice was 6, and I got that one. So this one is nice. And this was a full size. This was a full size, and you get a choice of 3, which I showed you. Sorry, yeah, 3. This was a full size, and you've got a choice of 1, 2, 3. It's mint, sweet mint, which is just one pomegranate and raspberry, or strawberry, so that's that one. And then you've got the palette, which is also of colourful size. So I'm not going to jump to the sneak peek, I'm going to read the little note that comes with it. So it says, "Hey Glossy, is this May? We're embracing our wild side with 2 special design boxes, and you've just received the Leopard Wild Edition thing, featuring 5 full-size products. This box will introduce you to an array of sassy beauty must-haves that make you feel fierce and free. We're talking sultry eye makeup, animal print tools, taming skincare, and more to hunt you all in your urban jungle. Then leave some inner felines Glossy and show the world who's boss, Anna Nash." And a sneak peek, so June sneak peek. In June, we're travelling around the globe to discover a world of beauty beyond our own borders. Your first sneak peek, a long-lasting, waterproof and smudge dual-ended eyeliner, brought to you by Irani American beauty guru Huda Karan. Oh, I've heard of Huda Beauty. Where £18 is a boost liquid eyeliner on one end and a creamy pencil on the other end, and now I need to create endless eyeliner. Oh, actually, because looking at this earlier, I was thinking about giving it to a friend, but I might keep that. So yeah, that looks good. Look at that. And then this one here is about the glossy of the month. This one here is glossy credit. And this one here is the glossy lounge. And this one here is about Facebook Live and Instagram TV, glossy one. So I'm going to try and see how I can get on. So let's try it. Oh yeah, I like that. Oh yeah. Oh, I really like that, yeah. Yeah, that's very nice. So, also, my next video, I was going to do wax blocks tonight. Instead, I had, as a post, the Mr. Maker, it all came together. Mr. Maker set turned up. So me and Chris have done that. Then we also with that came the washing tablets and dishwasher tablets. So I'm going to show you them in another video. So two other videos I want to do. I might do the dishwasher tablet one tomorrow night. It depends how it goes. Depends how I feel later on. Yeah. So that's it. That's my cross box. I am so happy with it. I'm so glad I signed back up. I got to sign back up to the problem payment and stuff. So yeah, I'm so happy. Yeah. Can't wait to try the new hair treatment. The eyeshadow I'll be trying tomorrow. And also either Saturday, maybe Saturday or Monday, the latest Tuesday night, there will be a Avon haul, because we've got an Avon coming, or half an Avon haul, or it's 3/4, because the Avon, my Avon rep, I know my voice has got all funny, said she had to put some of the order through on her account, because it's like a personal one, because it wouldn't find some of the stuff on the normal system. So she's got some going to her, so it might be a half an open haul. But what I might do is wait until I've got it all, maybe Wednesday at the latest, that, and then do a haul of it all. So yeah, that's that. So I'll never leave you. I'm going to definitely do the Mr. Maker thing, because I want to sort out all the other ones I've got. Over there on that box, there's a load of them. I got to sort of like take out the workbooks, so Crystal can do them, or pages are too advanced for Crystal, I can do. So yeah, and I forgot to show you my latest craft magazine. So it's another video. I've got to write all these videos that I want to do down, and yeah. So I'm gonna leave you, and if I see you next video, please stay safe, wash your hands, and yeah, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and thumbs up for this video. Any other videos you want to see, put down in the comments box, and I will do my best to do them. So yeah, I will see you in the next video. Keep smiling, stay safe, bye guys.